Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a collaboration video with Anya Stamper. She goes by Pink Sweets on YouTube, I believe, and I love her channel. I love her. She is one of the people that I consider to be a really good friend of mine here on this platform, and I just love interacting with her. I love watching her videos. And she's actually doing an entire month of collabs for November with people that she's thankful for, and I was so excited when she reached out to me to do this collab, and I of course said yes. I was really excited about doing it, and then she pitched this idea to me to basically do like a dual tone makeup look inspired by fall leaves. I loved that idea, and I had never tried the dual tone kind of makeup trend before, and I'm actually kind of living for this. I love the way these colors look on the eyes, and of course I added a very bright, bold kind of fall inspired lip. So yeah, I'm really excited about doing this video. So if you want to see how to create this beautiful fall dual toned inspired by fall leaves makeup tutorial, then of course keep on watching. So I already have like some foundation on my eyelids and my eyebrows finished, so I'm going to go ahead and take a small flat brush, and I'm just grabbing the loose highlight I'm going to be using on my cheekbones on this like small flat brush, and I'm gonna be stamping this color on my brow bone to use it as a brow bone highlight. So something that Anya and I like to do on our channels is to basically put the products on our faces without necessarily mentioning the products by name or talking about what brand the products are. We both do this every now and then. I was actually inspired to do this by Lisa Eldridge, but then I realized that she was doing the same thing, which was the coolest thing ever, of course. But for this video, I'm not going to be telling you guys what products I am using, but the products will be down below in the description box if you guys are interested in seeing them. So I'm first going to be taking this cranberry shade right here, and this is going to go on with like a relatively stiff brush, and I'm going to pack this into the outer corner of my left eye. Sorry, I had a little bit of a brain fart right there, but I'm literally going to be swiping this into my outer corner. I think I'm just going to drag the color in a bit, but notice that I am varying the intensity. I'm not going in very heavy-handedly. I'm focusing more of the intensity on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just going in using pretty light motions. And then I kind of want to extend the shape a little bit as well, so I'm feathering this out too. I'm also just rolling the color into the socket, and I'm just gonna like drag the color in as well. I do want to go in with my fingers for some more intensity, and I'm just gonna press the color specifically into the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm then going to grab this olive green color, which I love the look of, and I'm going to press it into the inner half of my eye. I'm then going to take a flat brush and just lightly brush some more of that green on. So this is what the eye look is looking like right now. Then I'm going to go in with this really rich, plummy, kind of like brownish color, and I'm just going to dip into it using like the same brush from earlier, and then this is going to go into the outer corner of my other eye. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this or not, but what I want to do right now is I want to create like a kind of like a different eye look on each eye, and I feel like this color is a little bit too similar to this color right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly add some of this darker purple and mix it in with this color. So hopefully we can get a color that is different but still like a fall tone, like purpley color. And then I'm going to go in with my fingers and pick up this orange color right here, and I'm going to press this into the inner portion of my eyelid. I'm also going in with a tiny crease brush and just dragging a little bit of that purple shade into the inner portion of my crease. So I'm going to go in with some foundation and just apply it to the rest of my face, and I'm going to mix it in with a liquid illuminator because I'm actually going to be working on, you know, the lower lash line, but I can't do that unless I have foundation on. So we are going to be doing that super quickly. And by the way, I just want to say that I am so grateful to have found like amazing people like Anya to watch and to talk to on YouTube, because I feel like there's so many people on this platform that are focused on like numbers and focused on like just not being as genuine as I like. And what I like about Anya and so many of the other people that I have managed to really get to know lately is the fact that she really is genuine, and she really is such like a kind person to talk to, and she's so passionate and she's so creative, and I find that it's so refreshing to be on this platform and, you know, interact with people that really do want to talk to you and really do have a passion, and that just doesn't happen enough in my opinion. But lately, like with just finding more amazing people to follow and to just watch their videos and to interact with, like that has changed. Like I have really been enjoying this space more and more, and it's because of people like Anya that has been happening. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with the same colors, okay, but I'm going to be doing them on the opposite eyes, if that makes any sense. So for example, I'll be taking this purple color, okay, and I'm going to be packing it not like under this eye, but under this eye right here. So basically what I'm gonna create is like a reverse eye on each eyelid, like a reverse eyeshadow on each eyelid. So yeah, I've never tried this out before, but Anya suggested that we do it, and I'm like, you know what, let's do it. So this is a new thing for me, so I might as well try it. I'm also going to extend the color a little bit out using very light motions. And then I'm going to do the same thing but to the other eye, and instead of using purple, I'll be using that cranberry color. This purple actually that I'm using on this eye and on this eye is honestly giving me such a hard time, and it's irritating the bejesus out of me, but we shall continue. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a slightly, well, not slightly, this is a pretty flat brush, and I'm going to dip into this orangey color right here, and I'm going to apply this to the inner portion of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to flip the brush over, and I'm going to go into this green color, and this is going to go into the inner portion of my other eyelid. Okay then, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to go in with a little bit of like this cream gold eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this using my fingers into the inner corner of my eye. I feel like since we're doing fall leaves pretty much on our eyes, I just want to add a little bit of gold. I want to give it a little bit of a pop. Just for me, like whenever I think of fall leaves, or whenever I pick up like a fall leaf, I always see like so much like beautiful variation in color, and I just love the idea of putting that in eyeshadow and creating a look that has like this dual tonality, because honestly when you look at fall leaves, like not one of them is going to be identical to the other. They're all going to be so different, and something that I do love is like seeing those hints of gold. And I'm going to actually go in with a little bit more green into my lower lash line because it's not popping as much as I want it to, so I'm giving it a little bit of help. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a little bit of loose highlighter. I'm just going to press this into my cheeks. And since this is actually the same highlight that we used for our brow bone highlights, so it really just meshes into the look so well, and I love it. So I'm going in with light layers, and I'm just blending the product into the skin, and then I'm just going in with a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. But the point is, I don't want to go in with like a very harsh highlight. I want to go in gradually and just layer it onto the skin. And then I'm going to take that highlight and apply it to my nose, just a little bit, Cupid's bow, and chin. And then I'm going to go in with some bronzer, and I'm just going to contour my face. Just because it's fall doesn't mean we can't be bronzed for the gods. And then I'm going to do a little bit of lip liner, and then I'm going to be going in with like this dark, more bold, purpley liquid lipstick color. So this is the look without false lashes on and with mascara, but I still want to add some lashes on, so I'm just going to pop those on really quick and I'll be right back. So that is pretty much it for this video. This is the finished look right here. I'm just so inspired by these tones. I love how dark and sultry it is, and I have never tried this like dual toned eye before, but I'm so glad that Anya compelled me to do it because it's just I love how it looks. So thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go watch Anya's channel and see her version of this video. I cannot wait to see what she comes up with. I am so excited. So go watch her video, go comment on her video. I will be doing the same. I do want to say that when this video comes out, I will be working, and I actually have a pretty early shift that ends relatively late in the day, so I will not be able to be on YouTube for quite a while during the day. And if I don't answer comments, it's not because I don't care or it's not because I'm lazy. It's just because I physically cannot, since I will be working. So if you do leave a comment, I will get back to you and I will answer comments, but it will just be like a little bit, it won't be right away because I do have work. I can't get off to go on my phone. So I hope that's okay with you guys. I just wanted to let you know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go check Anya out. I just can't say that enough because she has a really great channel and I love watching her videos. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.